Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be preparing a salad. You all said that you wanted to see more cooking videos, so I decided that I was going to record myself make a salad. So I just washed and spinned the lettuce and now I'm cutting it. I like for it to be small enough, bite-sized, not too big. So that's what I'm doing here. We're going to be going on like a little diet, eating a little bit healthier, incorporating what we grow in our garden. This particular lettuce that I'm cutting up here is from the garden. These leafy leaves are from the garden. The iceberg lettuce that you saw me cutting up in the first scene was store-bought organic, but the rest was from us. So yes, I love toppings on salads, especially chicken. So I'm seasoning some chicken breast to fry, and I love to marinate it in lots of seasoning. I use egg, I use lemon juice, mustard, and then I'm adding seasonings. I use salt, pepper, lemon pepper, hot sauce, some turmeric and chili powder, and I have on some gloves here, and I'm just mixing it all up together. This is going to make the chicken breast taste a lot more tender, because you know how sometimes chicken breast isn't the most tender meat, but adding all the sauce helps to tenderize it. And of course, you know I have to season the flour also. So when that's done, I go ahead and put the chicken into the flour and let it sit for a little moment. As it's sitting, I'm going to start patting flour on the top and flipping it. And at this point, I already got a batch in there frying. I'm trying to get done fast because everyone's waiting on me. So this chicken has been frying for a nice little minute now. It's important to make sure you don't fry it for too long. If you do, what's the point in marinating it? It's just going to become tough. It's not going to be tender. So yeah, at this point the chicken is just about done, and I'm about to start taking it out. As you can see, it's golden brown, the crust is crispy, and it just looks so delicious. My mouth is watering right now as I speak about this, because this is a few days later that I'm doing this voiceover, and at this point the meal is already ate, and I remember how bomb it was. I got myself a little piece of chicken as I was cutting it up, and of course it tasted delicious. So now I'm just cutting up the vegetables. I cut up some tomatoes, and now I'm just peeling the carrots. I like to have carrot shavings on top, not necessarily carrot chunks. So I just prepare it, and now I'm cutting the shavings for the top. Excuse the mess there, I'm just trying to rush and get it done. But as you can see, the shavings are all done, and now I'm preparing a cucumber. I like to peel my cucumber and cut it up very fine, because there's a lot of kids in the house that don't like vegetables. So cutting it up smaller makes it more tolerable, and it doesn't overpower the salad. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Just cutting it all up. And yeah, this is what it looks like. All three carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes cut up. Now I'm about to go on with the bell pepper. The bell pepper I need to cut up small, but not too small, because I'm going to cook it. Here I have a purple onion. I cut that up. And now I'm about to cut up some mushrooms. And when you cook all three of these together, the flavors are immaculate. So I put them in the skillet. The skillet is very hot because mushrooms make a lot of water, and I don't like for it to be too liquidy. And I'm just seasoning it with the same seasonings that I use for the chicken to stay within the theme. Just chili, turmeric, garlic, and onion, and all of those seasonings that I used before. As you can see, it's sauteed really nicely here, and this is going to add a lot of flavor. So next we have some garbanzo beans that I'm going to use. The same skillet has all of that seasoning flavor in the bottom, and I just sizzle those beans in there like that. This is really good on top of salad as well. And now to the boiled eggs. Peeled, and now they are cut. And now I'm going to start on the salad dressing. So I'm just going to make, I forgot what it's called, but you use sweet relish, mayonnaise, and ketchup. And yeah, I'll just put the name of the sauce on the screen because I forgot what it's called. But yeah, I mix this all together, and this is everything. beans, got the chicken right there, the vegetable toppings, the cooked vegetable toppings, as well as the eggs, and the salad dressing and the salad. And this is everything all together. At this point, I'm so ready to eat, so tired from preparing all of this. It took about 3 hours and a half because I was cooking while everyone was working on the farm. So yeah, I took my time and did a really great job. This is how the plate up looks. And I'm about to dive in. Adding some salad dressing on the top. Adding some feta cheese on the top. Right here you can see adding the cheese on top. And I'm about to chow down and tell you all how it tastes. So at this point, I've already eaten about half the bowl and it's bomb. It's so good. Just in case I didn't mention before, the salad is called Cobb salad. And I like to take some of the lettuce and some of the toppings and put it in a pita and wrap it up. And there you have a sandwich and a salad. Thanks for watching.